Most people think the first sign you need hearing aids is failing a hearing test. It's not really the case. Most people see some signs 5 to 7 years before they do anything about it. In fact, most people who should be wearing hearing aids don't realize they're ready. Because the real signs don't show up in your ears, they show up in your life. And if you've been quietly wondering, am I ready at that point? This video is for you. Stay with me because I'm going to walk you through the first signs you're actually ready for hearing aids. The ones most people ignore until years later. I'm Matt, I'm a retired audiologist, and this is Sound Solutions. I'm not here to sell you hearing aids. I'm here to help you hear better and make the right decisions for your hearing, whether you've just started to think about it or you've been struggling for years. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to get some free guided help. So let's talk about the signs that really matter. One of the earliest signs that you're ready for hearing aids isn't hearing less, it's usually more of a feeling. It's a feeling of being exhausted, if conversations leave you drained, if social events feel like they're work, if your brain is fried after dinner with friends, and it's not aging. That's your brain working overtime to fill in the sounds it no longer receives clearly. When people tell me, I hear people talking, I just have to focus more to understand what they're saying. That's often the moment that they're ready, even if they didn't realize it. Sometimes not hearing is embarrassing, so you figure out little tricks so no one really knows. You nod like you're in the conversation, you smile when they smile, you respond with safe answers, not because you heard clearly, but because guessing feels easier than asking someone to repeat themselves. If you ever laughed at the wrong moment, answered a question that wasn't asked, or felt that quick flash of embarrassment, you hear them talking, but it's all about clarity. And when guessing becomes your coping strategy, you're already past the wait and see phase. I remember my grandfather, who had severe hearing loss, sitting at the dinner table, smiling and laughing when we smiled and laughed. I know he didn't get any of the conversation. When he was done eating, he moved to the living room to read his Handyman magazine. It was only after I became an audiologist that I realized how lonely he must have been. Another big sign you're ready is when other people keep bringing it up. Your spouse might say, you missed half of what I said. Your kids might even say, Dad, you watch TV so loud. Friends say, never mind, I'll tell you later. When hearing loss starts affecting relationship, it becomes personal, and it's a communication issue. That's usually when people are more ready than they think, even if they're still resistant to the idea. This one is probably the biggest issue with hearing loss. You start skipping out on meals out, or avoiding group gatherings, or choosing quiet isolation over noisy connection. What you're doing is protecting yourself, really, and you may not even realize you're doing it. You're trying to avoid embarrassment, fatigue, and frustration. When hearing loss starts shrinking your world, that's often the strongest signal that doing nothing is costing you more than doing something, because at this point, it's less about your hearing and more about your social well-being. This last one may be the biggest sign of all. You clicked on this video, didn't you? People who aren't ready don't search for hearing aid information. They don't watch the videos like this one. They don't quietly ask, is this really the time that I need to be exploring this? If you're here, you're already in the decision phase, even if you haven't said it out loud yet. And now you don't want to do it wrong or have any regrets. I can help with this, and it's why I created this channel. Being ready for hearing aids, it doesn't mean you failed because you've waited this long, and it also doesn't mean you have to really rush into anything. It simply means you're ready to hear with less effort and live with less frustration. If this video made sense and spoke to you, let me know with a like. And if you want more honest, practical guidance like this, subscribe to Sound Solutions. You're not behind, you're just getting informed, and that's exactly where you should be at this point.